We going up. It's time. We going up. It's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind. Run that paper up and stack. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Amigo the Entrepreneur. I'm back with another one. Today, I got a driveway. I threw in the sidewalks for free because he's putting it on the market. But I gotta watch the house, and it's a little small deck in the back, and there's one right here in the front too. Let me flip the camera around. But y'all like, come in and subscribe before we get started. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop these videos. And here's the front walkway. I'm gonna start with the concrete first. He told me to just clean around this truck because he can't move it right now. So just clean around the truck, the driveway, and the sidewalks. From right there to right there. I threw that in for free for him. We in the hood with it, y'all. We in Lakewood. Shout out to Lakewood. Watch this house. Let me show y'all this deck first real quick. Ain't too dirty up under here. Get all that cleaned up. I'm gonna let them know we clean gutters too, so if you need to get them gutters cleaned up, we can sure take care of that for them too. I'm gonna let them know today, as soon as I get done. Touch this deck up. I don't know what that is, but we gonna try to do what we can to remove it. Look like paint or something. I'm gonna touch the little slab up. I don't know what that is, but we gonna see what we can do to remove it though. Touch it back up, get this cleaned up. Also let them know that I can touch up, I can clean the inside of this fence too and get all that green from off of this fence. I'm gonna let them know everything that I can do for them because I see a lot of more work that can help him sell this house faster. You know, a lot of more work that I can be doing, more money for me, and it'll be, you know, better for him too. You know, especially if he's trying to clean it, you know, sell it. Especially if he's trying to sell this house. But let's get started, y'all, because I don't plan on being out here that long. It's supposed to rain. So let's get it. I tried to crank it up. It popped off because my O-ring had came out. So now I'm finna take my little tool and put it in there, put me a brand new O-ring in there. It popped out. I crunk it up. I go over there to spray and it said, psh. O-ring came out, but I'm replacing it right now. Keep some extra O-rings, y'all. Connect it. I'm gonna show y'all what an O-ring look like for those of y'all that don't know what an O-ring look like. This is an O-ring. You got small O-rings, and you got the bigger O-rings too. See how big them is compared to each other? Make sure you keep these at all times. Cause the small ones go in the tip of like the pressure, like the gun. At the tip of the gun right there. Small ones. And the bigger ones go at the bottom. Just something to think about for those that don't know that. Show y'all the curve and the view, you know, before I start. Like y'all didn't see. For some reason my camera won't let me take pictures So I'm gonna give y'all a view real quick. I done applied my chemical already, so now I'm just touching stuff up with my turbo nozzle. And then I'm about to surface clean this driveway and start washing this house. Y'all stay tuned. I done did the concrete. I done applied the chemical to the whole house. I'm in the back. I'm really about to, when I get done with this, I'm about to go and post-treat the concrete. And then I'm gonna start rinsing the whole house. And then good rinse on this house. I done post-treated the concrete, everything. That was already like that. We didn't do that. Really don't want to step all in that dirt and mud and stuff, but I ain't got a choice. Looking good over here. Gutters, soffits, foundation clean, way cleaner than what it was. 100% cleaner. Wash this off, rinse that side off again. See a couple of touch-ups I'm about to do, but other than that, it looks amazing to me. I'm finna tell them about this fence on the inside. I can clean it, make it look 100% better. I have no idea what this is, y'all. Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think this is and how we can remove it. Even though I think he about to paint, but it might be a little paint. I don't know what it is, but tell me what it is if you can remove it. What can we use to remove it? It's right here too. I got it up a little bit down there, but all of this wouldn't budge. Y'all like and subscribe, man. Hit that thumbs up, man. Trying to get my subscribers up. Look amazing to me. What y'all think? Comment down below. Amazing if you think I did a good job. If not, it's cool. I think I did a good job. Property look amazing, man. Best house. Well, it's some nice looking houses, but they dirty. But this one of the best houses, cleanest houses around here. I got that hot water pressure washer on call. All they gotta do is upsell it. We'll remove it. I got my man's gonna pull up anytime with the hot water for me until I get mine back, you know, jumping. But it's what it is. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for tapping in with your boy. I'm out of here.
Too consistent, I ain't lying. Going up, it's time. Got up on my ass and got a bag. I grind. Run it up, my family having no capping, dripping in fashion. Look at us, yeah, we deserve it. Came from nothing. We been working, we was patient, been through plenty situations. All that time I was facing.